guys, it is Andrea, and today I am coming at you with my A5 flip through. It's funny because I just filmed my Thumbelina and it's just hilariously small compared to my A5, but honestly, I don't even know how to explain to you the love I have for this planner right now. I just could kiss it. I just love it so much. I have been so happy, happier than I've ever been in anything as far as a planner, and I'm going to go ahead and show you guys this. It's going to be kind of hard because a lot of it's kind of like top secret information, but I'm going to try and show you some like blank pages and things that I haven't completely filled out yet. So let's go ahead and go through this. This is a Louis planner. There's obviously way less expensive options. I bought this like a really long time ago, almost like 3 years ago, but I have all three sizes. I'm just like a Louis collector. I love Louis, everything Louis. But I also do have a clear, she's over here, a clear option that I'm going to be using if I do any silver setups, just because I really think the clear option is pretty cool. But you could also get ones from like Webster's Pages, Kiki K, Foxy Fix. Foxy Fix is a little bit more expensive, but there's lots of options out there if you want to go A5. So I just wanted to do a really quick setup. I did just have dividers in here, which were not very functional because I had too many sections for my dividers. And I just wanted to do a quick setup before I move into Halloween, because I was going to wait till Halloween, but honestly that was going to be like 2 more weeks and I was not down with it. So you guys, by the time you see this, there'll probably be a Halloween one coming up very shortly. But it's kind of funny because I got this kit. I put all the extras in this cello bag. I got this kit from the Planners Anonymous, and I didn't even open it because I was like, and I've opened all the rest of them. I didn't even open it because I was like, I probably won't use this kit. And honestly, there's a couple other things that I would have done, like I would have added a couple of like acetates and some more like just little things. But I was just like, let's just keep it simple because it's not going to be like a forever setup. But this is like probably one of my favorite setups, and I think it has to do with these like bows. I just think they look so cute on the corner. But yeah, I wasn't even going to open this setup because I was like this sunflower kit, because I was like, I don't think I'm going to use it, blah, 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 blah. But then it was actually the first Planners Anonymous kit that I ended up using. So let's go ahead and walk through this. So I'm just so in love. So the first thing that I have here was actually my tester. I wanted to test laminating and kind of seeing how I liked that, because I'm so used to the T-ends where it's kind of like a sandwich and it holds all your stuff, and there's like a back and a front, and it's a little bit bigger, so it kind of like encompasses your papers a little bit more, whereas this is like literally the same size as my papers, which I just love so much. But I went ahead and tested one of these just to make sure I liked that idea on like my least favorite paper. So I went ahead and just stuck this in here just as like some extra deco. I'm probably not going to reach into these pockets very much. Then I went ahead and put in these Virgo and paper stickers. These are like scripts. I haven't used any of them yet, but I will use them in the future, and I feel like whenever I do use them, it will be in this planner. I do have a paper clip from K&Co XOXO, one of her big gold ones, as well as a die cut from the kit, which is just a sunflower. And then I also have the sticker sheets that came in the kit, which are super cute. I'm kind of using them as deco, but I think I might at the end of the month, like whenever I take this setup out, just go ahead and place some of these on the August calendar, because I will be keeping the past like months and putting them in a binder just for, you know, looking back on them, because these are work inserts. So I just have the stickers there, but like I said, I probably will use those as a more decorative element whenever I'm done using this kit. And then I do have a washi card, which again I made out of that paper that I wasn't sure about, and this is just a decorative purpose washi card, and I just went ahead and put a couple of washi's, 3 washi's that came with the kit, and then also the Wonton and a Million Sui washi, which I thought really matched the colors with the orange foil. I will probably again use some of the washi in my setup, and then probably just save the washi because it is really pretty. It's very specific but very pretty. Then I do have a Studio Signet little charm on here. This is a B6 one because I did order so many for the B6, and I just went ahead and kind of like wrapped it around the strings just so it's not dangling around. And this isn't being used for functional purposes. This is just being used as a decorative element in my planner. And then also in the back, I do have just these 2 girl die cuts. I do really love how tight the Louis pockets are compared to like Foxy Fix, because I feel like these are in there pretty good. And then I also do have the pen that came with the kit, which is like a gold pen with like green, yellow, and brown little crystals in there. So let's go ahead and go into like the inserts. Like I said, it's gonna be like very like jumping around just because I have a lot of inserts and things that I don't probably won't show just because they're like ideas, things that are coming, information that I don't really want to share. Like there's really nothing in the first section that I can show you guys, I don't think. No. So the first section here, I do have, let me actually just grab a insert so I can put things around them. In the first section, which I love this first dashboard, what I did was I just laminated all the dashboards and then I put die cuts on the top, which I just glued them on. I don't know if I would do this in the future. I might actually, because I really don't like see myself reusing this, whereas like the Foxy Fix dashboards, I would kind of like reuse for future setups, but this is because I'm just laminating this, which I need to order more laminating pouches. Somebody remind me. I just like stuck it right on the top, which I don't mind. And then I did use these gorgeous Once More with Love bow tabs, which I've seen people do this with Simply Gilded tabs. Obviously Marg's just came out, and I also have some coming out. Fox and Pip has them, and Wonton a Million has like wontons, and this would be so cute. Even if you want to do just one on the top would be adorable, and I just can see myself really using these bows. I need to order another set of these. These would have probably honestly been my least like well actually I don't use any hollow really. I probably use the hollow in like non-tan setups, but as far as the gold, this would have been my least favorite colorway, these like green colors, but it just like fits this spread so much. So I'm going to use this to kind of cover things, but I did put one on the back. You could totally like just do one and then run it through your laminator, like just do the paper and then do the tab and then run it through, but I didn't like think that far, so I might do that in the future just to kind of conserve the stickers, but at the same time I might not, because then I have to like fussy cut around them, which I'm not sure if I'm down with. Then in this section I just have to-do lists. So I do have a to-do list for foil, I have a to-do list for collabs, and then I have a TN kit idea list. Then I do have another, I can show you the next insert. I do have another dashboard, I guess, are these called dashboards? I guess so. A dashboard with another one of those, Once More with Love, I have that upside down, that's okay. Once More with Love little bow. I just love these bows. I think they're so cute, and honestly I love the spacing like with these amount of tabs. It's just so cute. Then I didn't know this was like a thing. Somebody messages me and they were like, Andre, you're just like not on the trends, and I'm like, obviously not. You can laminate sequins, which I always like got the sequins in the Planners Anonymous and was like, what am I going to use these for? She also let me know that I could do glitter, so that's going to be my next thing on my to-do list, is doing some glitter dashboards, which are so fun. I think this looks so cool like with the sequins, and what else am I going to use sequins for? Then I do have, this is like my monthly section, and this is where I put all of my events. So this could be TN kits, this could be collabs, this could be events that I want to do, bundles, going to events like I have, and I have different inserts for each one. I don't know if I have any that aren't filled out. Like here's my TN kit ideas. I went and made all these inserts for myself because they're like really like specific to me, or just like shops in general. I don't know if I have any. I have like a collab sheet, which is just like an extra one, shop ideas, and then I have just, some of them are like inserts like this where I have like pre-made, and then some of them are also just like little grids that I just kind of like wrote down lists on. So again, sorry that it's so like vague, but they're all just kind of like shop specific and very like top secret stuff. A lot of it's not till like, you know, December, so it's pretty early. So then this right here is my weekly, and you guys have seen my weekly in my planner. So I did go ahead and make a pocket out of 2 pieces of the paper, and I just went ahead and laminated it, and then went ahead and cut it and made a little pocket to put the sticker sheets that I'm still using for the weekend here. Again, this is something that I do plan aheads for, but I don't really feel comfortable showing everything in here. I do also have shop information as far as like every week I write a list of things that I am putting in the shop, things that I'm discontinuing every week, and then things that I want to check on once I get to those orders. And then I also, for this, have a really cute bookmark, but I'm not going to be able to show you that because it is holding my place, but this is what the week looks like, and I do Plan With Me, so if you're curious on how I plan this way for my work, which I've been loving, I don't worry about like filling up every single little space, which I kind of actually like looking at the end of the week, where there is like white space and like checklists that don't have check marks to them. Like, I'm cool with that. But these inserts are from So Much Crafting, but I do have similar ones from the Glam Planner that are foiled as well. I have another dashboard with a bow tab. And then this is my to-do section. So it is my work and then also personal to-dos. So this is what my to-do list looks like. Again, I did print this out for myself. It just kind of matches the rest of my inserts, and I do have a bunch of them, and I kind of have like one page is work, and then the next page is like Bennett's birthday to-dos, and then on the bottom is personal to-dos. And then I also do have some of these lists from Jasenia printed out, just in case I want to do some more specific ones, which I could have did like Bennett's birthday and then a personal one. But I can see these coming in pretty clutch for the holiday. I'm pretty excited about it. Then there is my last one. I love the paper. I use the one that Jasenia recommends for her inserts, and it's just so soft. Then this I can show you guys because it's nothing like super interesting, and this is just my last section, which is my YouTube section. And I really have always loved these inserts for YouTube because I only put up videos Monday through Friday. The weekend's blacked out. In case I do need to put something in there, it's available. And what I do is I just write down the video that I am doing, and then as I upload them and schedule them, I do go ahead and cross it off. So as you can see, today well, you don't know what today is. Today is the 22nd, and I already have this haul already scheduled, as well as this this flip through is already scheduled as well. So those are ready to go by the time that this video is done, and I edit and upload this in the Thumbelina and a couple of other videos. I'll have a couple more to check off, but I can go ahead and plan out kind of like my videos. Like this video I'm not planning on putting up until the 7th, just because I don't have room for it in my schedule, but I don't want to put up multiple videos a day, but because I like to plan ahead and to have content for you going up constantly. So I do have the rest of the year for that. Actually, I have all the way till I think June, but I do want to start planning December because I do want to do like a Vlogmas, but not Vlogmas, but like Planmas. You guys know, like 25 days of planning. Then I just have one extra dashboard here just to give it a little bit extra for my like lift page or whatever these things are called. But that is everything for this planner, and I just love it so much. It's so pretty. I'm just so into it, and I think I'm probably going to do my Halloween setup next, which should probably be I'll probably live in this for like 2 weeks. By the time that you see it, I've already lived in it for 2 weeks, but I will probably, by the time you see this, have the Halloween up within the next week or so. So I hope you guys like this video. Again, I'm sorry it was so elusive. Let me know if you guys want to still see them regardless of them being elusive, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.